Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan STO. So one thing I missed out to say during my last video is, see, the brand name here it is mentioned as MSC, but this is actually like how you can say, like a sub brand kind of thing for CCA. Right now, a lot of people in India are getting CCA models, or cool chic auto, you can say. So CCA in general, I do have one is to 24 Lamborghini Aventador. That is really an awesome casting, and it has all the detailing, and it has openable doors, sound effects, and everything for a licensed casting. That looks really phenomenal. Even the box they give you, give it to you, it is a plastic encasing, entirely with gaps to reach out the car. So that looks really cool. Someday I will be unboxing that when we are pushing through that next level scale castings. So this one is by CCA, and again I bought this for somewhere around 400 or so, or 450. So see, this is the right price for these castings. So right now you can see CCA are getting sold for around 700 or 750. I don't remember now, but it is more than 600. So it is not worth really that much of money, because again everything is just painted on, even in CCA. So maybe around 400 it is good, but don't overpay for those castings just because they are giving an acrylic case. So acrylic case is not worth 400 rupees more. Okay, with that said, let me unbox this one. So here I will show you one more time. It has working suspension. It doesn't have any card art. It has this licensing Lamborghini hologram badge, and you can see the licensing partners here. So let's open it. I'm not going to save this card anyway, so let me just open it right away. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. So the paint job on this one is like like mild glittery sky blue. So I hope you guys can see that it actually looks really beautiful. So it has headlight details, and it has the badging here. Badging is not really very clear, but at least it is not messed up. So that is really good. It has wiper details here. The interior looks really nice, and it looks true to this particular car. That is really great. And has rear view mirrors as well. Okay, you can see here it is mentioned as CCA. So, and this is used under license. Okay, so it does have grill details here. So I need to tell you one more thing, guys. So this body is fully metal, and the chassis is plastic. One more thing is the spoiler here. It has this carbon fiber detailing here. Actually, that is really nice because it is not just painted or anything. It is actually like small dots, which is like protruding outside. So you can actually feel it, like this braille thing. So this piece is plastic, but it looks really nice. And this piece, even the top, everything here is metal. This is painted matte black, and it is really smooth to touch. It is really nice, to be honest. And the disappointing thing is it doesn't have any tail light details here. So I don't know if all the castings actually has this or only mine has this, but as far as I'm having this one, so you can see here it doesn't have any tail light details. Okay, so the wheels looks good. It feels basic, but it's okay. It's nothing to frown upon or anything. So mine actually has a lot of scratches here as usual. So since it is in a blister pack, and these are expected. And again, the interior detail is actually nice. It has the bucket seats and everything. That is really cool. So it has suspension. Let's test that out. Yeah, it is really soft. It is not very tight or anything. And okay, I think it is supposed to be on this level, if I'm not wrong, lower to the ground, but it is actually good. I'm not seeing much of an issue with these castings. Okay, so one more thing I need to cross check. Okay, so even this part here, the splitter here, everything is plastic, that is not metal. So it looks like it is actually merged with this hood here, but it is not. But overall the casting looks really beautiful. So if you're getting this casting around the same price which I bought or lesser than that, it would be really good, because the entire detailing on this casting, it looks really beautiful, including the paint job. So only thing I am missing out personally for me, I really wanted this tail light detail, but it is not there in this particular casting. So let's weigh this casting now and see how much it weighs. Okay. Okay, 27 grams. Not bad. I was hoping around at least 30 grams. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, doesn't roll. Let me just try to pull the sheet on this side. Okay. See, this is actually fitting inside the track and it is not touching anywhere, but still it doesn't roll really that good. And it creates a lot of noise. Okay, so again, this is the first time we are unboxing a CCA casting in our channel, and I don't know how to put rating for this, because I want to understand about the CCA castings first, because for Hot Wheels and Matchbox, these kind of brands, we already know whether it has all set details or 3 side details or whatever it is. But this is the first casting we are unboxing in CCA, so I'm not really sure. So in general, if I want to give a rating for this casting, I would really give 10 out of 10, because it looks really beautiful and the detailing on everything, it is really nice, including the paint job. Again, only thing missing is the tail light detailing here. So if this is how usually CCA does, then I'm giving 10 out of 10. If rest of the casting has tail light, like both headlight and tail light details, and only this one doesn't have, then I'm taking at least 0.5 out of this, so 9.5 out of 10 in that case. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.